We're going to turn our pain into purpose. We're going to unite and take action.
New York City Mayor Eric Adams on Monday unveiled an aggressive plan to tackle gun violence in the city following a spate of deadly crimes, including the fatal shooting of a New York City police officer.
We will start by putting more officers on patrol in key neighborhoods throughout the city.
2 police officers were shot in Harlem last week while responding to a domestic violence call, leaving one dead and the other in critical condition. It was one of several violent incidents since Adams was sworn in on January 1st. Others include an 11-month-old baby shot in the face by a stray bullet, a 19-year-old Burger King worker killed during a robbery, and a 40-year-old woman who plunged to her death after being pushed onto subway tracks by a homeless man. As in many U.S. cities, murders and gun violence have surged over the past 2 years in New York. Experts say the trend partly reflects the social disruption from the pandemic and its effect of reducing the number of police officers on duty. While still calling New York the safest big city in America, Adams, a former police captain himself, vowed to put more police officers on the streets within weeks as part of his blueprint to end gun violence. The officers will be identifiable as New York Police Department employees and will have body-worn cameras and enhanced training and oversight.
Gun violence is a public health crisis. There's no time to wait. We must act. The sea of violence comes from many rivers. We must dam every river that feeds this greater crisis.
To do that, Adams said he will focus on stemming the flow of guns.
Last year, over 6,000 guns were confiscated.
Saying New York had become a dumping ground, Adams added that travelers into New York City will now be screened for illegal weapons with facial recognition technology with new spot checks at various entry points.